Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. Uh, Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. The first college where the recruitment is going on for faculty like assistant professor, associate professor and professor uh, in Tirthankar Mahavir University. This college is in Delhi Road, Moradabad, UP. They have vacancies for different professor like assistant professor, associate professor and professor in College of Pharmacy, College of Nursing, College of Agricultural Sciences, College of Computing Sciences and IT, Faculty of Education, College of Paramedical Sciences, College of Law and Legal Studies, Faculty of Engineering, Applied Sciences, College of Management, Department of Physiotherapy, College of Physical Education, College of Fine Arts, Center for Teaching, Learning and Development, and Humanities. In Faculty of Engineering, there are vacancies for Mechanical Engineering, Civil, Electrical, and Electronics and Communication. In Applied Sciences, there are vacancies for Physics, Chemistry, and Mathematics. Likewise, in College of Nursing, there are vacancies for Medical Surgical Nursing, OBG Nursing, then Community Health Nursing, Psychiatric Nursing, Pediatric Nursing. UG and PG tutor also required. For Agricultural Sciences, all specialization can be applied. Then Faculty of Education, there are vacancies for Science and Arts and English. Likewise, for different colleges, they have openings. So if you have a PhD in a relevant discipline, then you can apply to the joint registrar by email at hr@tmu.ac.in within 7 days. And in this it is mentioned that PhD in relevant discipline is mandatory except nursing, physiotherapy, paramedical, physical education and trainer. Means except these all, everywhere PhD is compulsory. Second college where the recruitment is there is in DIT University. This college is in Dehradun. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor, assistant professor in engineering. In engineering, they have vacancies for computer science, civil, petroleum, mechanical, electrical, electronics, and communication. In management, they have openings for finance, marketing, human resource, international businesses. For architecture and design, they have vacancies for architecture, UX, interior design, visual graphics, and animation. In pharmacy, they have openings for pharmacology, pharmaceutics, pharmacochemistry, pharmacognosy. In liberal arts, they have openings for economics, clinical psychology, and English. In physical sciences, they have openings for physics, chemistry, biochemistry, EVS, maths, and statistics. For every departments, the PhD is mandatory. So how you can apply? So you have to apply by visiting DIT University career section. From that you can apply in which department you want to apply for. Third college is Future Educational Institution, and Team Future invites applicants for the position of faculty at various level in following departments. Like for computer science and engineering, they have openings for data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, Internet of Things, cyber security with blockchain technology. They also have openings for MCA and MBA. Application are also invited for vacancy at Future Campus School, which is affiliated to CBSE. So in this there are two types of openings. First one is for college, and second one is for schools. Job openings are in all subjects of postgraduate teachers, trained graduate teachers, and primary teachers. So if you want to apply, so you have to send your updated resume on career@teamfuture.in. Next college where the recruitment is there is in Oriental University, Indore. They have recruitment for professor, associate professor and assistant professor. In engineering, they have vacancies for mechanical, civil, computer science, electrical and electronics. Next one is for management, pharmacy, diploma, basic science and humanities, education, law and agricultural sciences. They also have vacancies for some senior position like dean, faculty of law, engineering, deans for faculty of law, then engineering, business management and commerce. And for director, they have openings in training and placement, and they also have openings for director HR. Um, some non-teaching vacancy like TPO, campus in charge, hostel warden and accountants also. Eligibility, the eligibility for all is as per UGC norms. So how you have to apply? You have to download the application form from college website. This is the website www.oi.edu.in. From that, you download the application form and fill it, and send application form with photocopy of all testimonial within 15 days by email to hr@orientaluniversity.in, and also you can send it by hand or post to the registrar Oriental University Indore, Jhakia opposite Rewati Range, gate number 1, Samber Road, post office Sri Aurobindo, Indore. So the next now the next college where the openings is there is in Don Vasco Institute of Technology. They have this college is in Bangalore. They have openings for marketing head. If you have experience of digital marketing in education domain, then you can apply. Also have openings for content writer. If you have knowledge about lead funnel management using analytics, then you can apply for web designers. And next one, telecaller. The institution provides professional work environment and ample opportunity for career development. Salary will be commensurate with qualification and experience. And if you want to apply, so you have to send the application with updated resume and recent passport size photograph to the secretary within 10 days of this advertisement by post or courier. Alternatively, interested candidate can also email their profile with all relevant details to recruitment@dbit.co.in. यहाँ पे ये भी आपको मेंशन किया हुआ कि इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको अपने कॉस्ट से जो भी कन्वेंस वगैरह वो आपको बियर करना है. नेक्स्ट कॉलेज वेयर द रिक्रूटमेंट इज देयर इज इन SR ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन. दिस कॉलेज इज इन UP Lucknow. They have walk-in on 20th March and 21st March 2021 from 9:30 to 5 p.m. for different colleges and schools like SR International School, then SR Global School. For that, qualification experience is all as per ICSE and ICSE norms. And next the vacancy is for SRIMT and SRMBS for director, professor, associate professor, assistant professor for BTech and MTech program. This is engineering college SRIMT and SRMBS. They wanted all professor for BTech and MTech program in mechanical, ECE, computer science, IT, then civil engineering, agriculture, biotech, maths, physics, chemistry, soft skill or PD, librarian, etc. And also requirement for MBA and IMBA program for general management, marketing, finance, human resource and IT. They also have requirement for registrar, accountant, office staff, store in charge and warden in both colleges SRIMT and SRMBS. And next college is SRM Ayush Institute of Medical Sciences. For that they have requirement for principal, professor, associate professor, assistant professor, lab assistant, office staff, librarian, accountant and store in charge. Qualification, experience and pay scale is as per AICT and Abdul Kalam Technical University norms. So what you have to do, you have to come with resume and testimonial with 2 passport size color photograph on college address. This is the college address, SR Institute of Management and Technology, NH24 Sitapur Road, Bakshi Ka Talab, Lucknow 226201. So that's all about today. update. If you have liked the video, please share it with friends who need this type of job, and share it, and if you have not subscribed, then subscribe as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.